all-weather custom-fit floor liners offers the best value for floor liners and vehicle protection. Compared to the universal floor liners, who are smaller and lightweight, which does mean they are easier to install and remove but lack so much more. They are a cheaper alternative, but because they are universal, one size fits all fit, they lack proper protection for the vehicle's floor. Also, you are more prone to get into an accident trying to press down on the gas or brake pedal as a floor liner slips underneath you. Using 3D laser technology, we laser measure them for the perfect fit, protecting the front, back, and even the sides, not hindering the way you press down on both the gas and brake pedal because of their superior traction control. They use special traction patterns and channels to redirect the liquid and debris from flowing onto the carpet floor. Designed to lay flat, perfectly fitting the contour of your vehicle's floor with deeply ridges to trap the liquids and debris from when you clean them, which is also very simple with these floor liners. Not only that, custom floor liners are environmentally friendly. With new production technology, custom floor liners are healthier for both the earth and humans. They won't even harden or crack in sub-zero freezing temperatures, but are yet flexible and malleable. A great Lasfit product to choose from. You won't be disappointed.